Hello, welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a German recipe for a German cookie called Spitzbuben. It's a very funny name. However, these are basically sandwich cookies filled with jam, and I knew people would ask me where the name came from, so I did some research. The word Spitzbuben is basically it's a word for a boy that's kind of a troublemaker, so I would translate it as like rascal. But it's a very strange name to give to a cookie, so I looked up where that came from. Apparently these used to be called like hole cookies, like cookies with a hole in them, because it has a little like peek hole to see what's inside. And they were extremely popular, and so apparently so many of the boys would come and eat them that there was never any for the rest of the family, and so mothers would sometimes yell, you know, "Come back, you rascals, you know, you took all of my cookies." So that's how it got its name. I don't make this stuff up, I just give it to you. So I thought you might enjoy that story. So let's get started.
Start out with our ingredients. We need 1 cup or 250 grams of butter, 3/4 cup or 150 grams of sugar, 2 eggs, a dash of salt, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract or 1 tablespoon vanilla sugar, 1 cup or 100 grams of ground almonds, 2½ cups or 300 grams of flour, about 3/4 cup or 200 grams of jam. Begin by creaming your butter. Add sugar and cream together. Add salt, vanilla, and eggs and beat until light. Add almonds and combine. And the flour. The dough will be quite thick. If you prefer, now is the time to chill the dough. If you're too impatient like me, try rolling the dough between 2 pieces of parchment paper until about 1/4 inch or 1/2 centimeter thick. Use a round or fluted cutter to cut a bunch of cookies that are all the same size. These don't rise very much, so go ahead and put them quite close together. Remove the excess dough between the cutouts. Now I'm using a very small heart cutter to cut out from the middle of every other cookie. Bake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit or 160 degrees Celsius for about 12 minutes or until the cookies are no longer shiny. Allow the cookies to cool completely and add a teaspoon of jam to the middle of the cookie without the hole. Press the cookie with the hole on top, and do this with all of the cookies. This recipe makes about 18 sandwich cookies. These cookies are really good. Since it's a German recipe, it's not really sweet. The jam adds a bit of fruit, and if you like sugar cookie cutouts, you'll love these. I hope you enjoyed the recipe today. For more recipes and tutorials, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Subscribe for more recipes.